So what's good, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today, C63 AMG, insane. Literally some goodies on this, so yeah, just get straight into it. Yo, so what's good? Today, like I just said in the intro, AMG C63. This thing is absolutely a beast. But yeah, I'll let you introduce yourself.
I'm Spro. This is my C63 and today's just a review, so crack on.
What have you done to it so far?
I bought it stock, like a blank canvas really, to be fair. So far I've lowered it, spaced it, I've blacked my alloys, gloss black. Because did you ever see this sort of one?
Yeah, the black looks absolutely mint, like all black out beast. It's like stealth.
Yeah, it's changed like car completely. Like de-chromed all around the windows. It's been mapped. Stage 1 and pop and bang.
Ready to find the latest also.
Yeah, I haven't shown you yet, have I? So it's only been in comfort.
Oh no.
It's still been relatively loud on it, to be fair. So
still little trickles of pops and bangs.
But yeah, it's just a slow project really, to be fair. It's like it's a weekend tour essentially, because I've got the van and all. So
looking forward to seeing how it's like fully done.
Yeah,
it's gonna be sick.
Like I said, I want it to be the best of the best, you know what I mean?
It will. Soon it'll stand out and you'll see why in the future references.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sick. But yeah, if you want to get to it, we'll go for a drive now
and
get my review of the pops and bangs and how well this car handles.
Sweet.
First impression.
Let's go.
Let's go.
If you don't already know, I've started up a clothing brand, only recent, so if you can all go show the love at trippy.uk on Instagram. So like, share, buy, whatever you fancy.
It's worth it. It's literally, you've got some items on, it's got the joggers and the hat on.
Yeah.
Literally top quality, tell you.
Big things coming as well.
But their link will be down in the description, as well as Sam's, and for the Instagram link as well for Trippy's Instagram. So make sure you get on it, you won't be disappointed. I love this road. This road's sick. It's the best.
Night time's the best though. If you know it, night time's the best. Because the time I drive it is on the weekend, so
business times only like in the week.
So it's just so loud. That's 1,500 revs.
Not even on the beach, yeah. Still feels quite like it's up to the floor as well, so you've lowered it like sturdy. It's nice.
Because I don't know if you noticed when I'm looking on the outside, because I've lowered it, it's pushed the camera out a lot more as well.
Helps with like savability on the road.
Yeah.
So when I lowered my Fez, like the front cambered out is so much better. But now since I've lowered it, it's like dog's ass.
This is like really arse happy. This is.
You say it handled well on that then?
It's like I was saying to you earlier, I've still got 2 back boxes in this as well, so it can go louder if I want to.
I can imagine what that would sound like.
Well, 2 back boxes, I've got the headers as well, but it's loud enough as it is.
I was going to say,
I'm lucky enough I can still drive it quiet now, so.
So when you first started up, I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, can't start savage on this.
It's insane. Hopefully this traffic starts off as well. No, I quite like the noise I do.
Like I say, it sounds tinny and raspy from the inside, but everyone I've asked from the outside, because like it just worried me at the start, because I thought, is that what it sounds like from the outside when I'm driving? But it says it's like deep from the outside. So
you say from that video that you sent me on Snapchat, it sounded proper loud.
Yeah, nice. It doesn't do it justice. Like, you know, did you ever see the video when I first had it decanted?
Yeah.
I was revving it. I had a few people messaging me saying like, that doesn't sound right. But like, until they heard it in person, it's just
different aspect of it.
Yeah, it's just the phone quality, you don't pick it up properly. So that was 2,000 revs then. Remember it was burbling earlier, because I got it in comfort, it doesn't do it. which I'm surprised to be fair, because the amount of flames I've been spitting over the past few days, I don't know, I haven't blown the back boxes out anyway, so.
I was going to say, I imagine one day.
Yeah, it'll come out soon. I can hear something starting to like
vibrate.
Yeah. Worst comes to worst, I'll just get some sport back boxes or something like that. So. Like I said, I've kept everything that I've took off the car, because when I sell it, it's going back completely stock as I bought it.
I don't blame you.
Like, next thing I think for this is window tints.
Yeah.
I don't like the fact people see me when I'm driving, that's the thing.
Like a bit of closure anyway.
Yeah. Just makes the car look better as well, though, I think. So,
be more stealthy.
black windows, but I'll get my rear and front lights tinted as well while I'm there. I'm gonna have dark on the back and I'm gonna have lightish on the front.
Like a bit of smoke.
Yeah, and carbon rear diffuser.
Be nice, that one.
But yeah, everything will be colour coded, so gloss black, carbon, keep in between.
Yeah, I don't think they're going to move anytime soon. This is where the nice dip comes.
To be fair, shall I just do the? I'll just give it a blast now.
Yeah.
I'll do that first. We're on here anyway, so. And I'll do this 6,500 rev diesel in the car, then I'll do one out of the car.
Side, yeah. Different sound preferences, like.
Yeah. Bet you it's blowing the back trim off on the boot.
Bro, that is absolute fun. That is savage.
So I'm saying, like, we're in 6th gear now. It is borderline silent, isn't it, really?
That's mad. That is not going to do any justice.
But
you need to like witness this for like your actual ears in person.
Like, this is 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd.
So many people hate you for this.
Yeah, of course I do. like I say, it's stage 1. There's no official figures, but it should be 510.
Fuel savage. And then just like that higher gears back to normal.
Yeah, literally 7th gear, 1,500 revs, 50 mile an hour cruise.
Seriously, if you do not like this video, there is something wrong with you. I 100% tell you. Just for that, you should subscribe, comment, do it.
Yeah, I should blow for it.
Yeah, go for it. Fuck. And that is my first time hearing it and like feeling the power.
You're about to feel it again, so.
Bro, seriously, what the fuck?
It's insane.
Alright, let's get you off and first person outside, yeah?
Around there, on a country line.
Probably reversed it somewhere. Oh no, it wasn't. Honestly, like when you was coming up, I could hear like the bangs and he was hitting me.
Normally, them like directional, the sounds of the exhaust. But since I've had all like the work done and everything, well, my mate phoned me the other day. I honestly just went, shut up. Like, where are you? So I'm on my drive. I was by the Flybys viaduct and he lives like past like line and everything.
Oh my god. Well, probably end it now, so. Yeah.
So,
That's spro C63, the fucking animal.
King AK.
King AK, that's going to be in the description. It's going to be in brackets, King AK.
Yeah, that's my new name for the car, King AK.
Insane. Well, thank you, man, for that. That was
Yeah,
sick.
no problem. Thank you for having me on the channel.
Good experience. Good experience. Well, Spro should be doing some funky stuff to his car soon, so you might see in the future.
Yeah, doing another review, maybe like a year down the line. I've done more stuff to it, so.
It's going to be insane, man. But yeah, if you're new here, drop a sub. Comment if you subbed, and if you have, I'll pin it. Appreciate it all, and let's keep growing. So yeah, peace.